up. And we really honor you. Last year, we fought so hard for justice for you. And now that you got justice, we are still here for you because we know the road to recovery and healing for all survivors is very, very long. But apart from Ariana, I would also like to honor all of the migrant and domestic workers here in Hong Kong, and the Philippines and Indonesia, Thailand, Nepal, because all of you showed her the true meaning of what solidarity truly means. And women cannot fight their battles all alone. They need women and men to stand with them. And that is what 1 Million Rising is all about. It is about global solidarity. It is about sisterhood and brotherhood. It is about standing up for all the wrongs that we experience and all the wrongs that we see. And it's about not being afraid. So all of you, thank you so much for being in solidarity with Ariana and all the other victims of violence. We must stand with them because there are many, many, many Arianas still, not just in Hong Kong, but in all our own countries. And we must continue to fight for them. And Ariana, we stand with you and we are here for you. And know that you have touched our hearts deeply because you have given so much significance to what solidarity and what courage truly means. And we love you. Long live international solidarity! Long live international solidarity! Rise for revolution! Rise for revolution! Rise for revolution! Rise for revolution! Rise for revolution!
Kami ba'y maghihintay ng habang buhay, matay ubos ng luha, kumakalamang sikmura, pati pag-asa'y kinuha. Kami ba'y maghihintay ng habang buhay, pondo ng bayan nilustay, wasak ang kabuhayan, bubog sa kahirapan. Kami ba'y maghihintay ng habang buhay, hindi kami magpapaloko, babangon sa pang-aabuso, may lakas kami talino. Humanda na kayo, sama-sama kami tatayo. Tapos na ang paghihintay, ipaglalaban ng buhay, itataas ang mga kamay. Gabriel ay walang takot, isang bilyon kaming bumabangon, bangon na sa revolusyon. Bangon na, sawa ng maging biktima sa aming sariling bansa, kakamti ng hustisya. Bangon na, sa sinumang upong mamuno ng totoo dahil laban sa abuso, di kami hihinto. Humanda na kayo! Humanda na kayo, sama-sama kaming tatayo. Tapos na ang paghihintay, ipaglalaban ng buhay, itataas ang mga kamay. Gabriel ay walang takot, isang bilyon kaming bumabangon, bangon na sa revolusyon. Walang takot, isang bilyon kaming bumabangon, bangon na sa revolusyon. Kami ba'y maghihintay ng habang buhay, matay ubos ng luha,